Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on the saxophone. First, ensure you have a solid grasp of saxophone fundamentals, including embouchure and breath control. Next, we will explore how to select an Undertale song that aligns with your skill level. Then, we will discuss finding appropriate sheet music and effective practice strategies to help you bring these beloved tunes to life on your instrument. This guide will help you begin your musical journey. Choosing the right Undertale song is crucial for a rewarding experience. For beginners, I recommend starting with simpler tunes like Fallen Down or Home, which have fewer complex rhythms. Always consider your current skill level. Don't pick something too challenging initially. Look for sheet music or arrangements specifically tailored for the saxophone, ensuring the piece fits comfortably within your instrument's playable range. This thoughtful selection sets you up for success. Once you have your chosen song, it is time to master the notes and techniques. Obtain high-quality sheet music or a trusted transcription to ensure accuracy. Break the piece into smaller, more manageable sections, perhaps 4 to 8 measures at a time, practicing each part slowly. Pay close attention to correct fingerings and maintain strong, consistent breath support. Using a metronome will help you develop a steady rhythm and improve your timing significantly. Consistent practice is key to truly mastering your Undertale saxophone piece. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused practice each day, rather than one long session weekly. Recording yourself playing can provide invaluable feedback, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement in tone or rhythm. Listen carefully to the original game soundtrack to capture the stylistic nuances. Finally, performing for a small audience, like friends or family, can greatly enhance your confidence and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.